Hey guys, welcome to Cutesy Drawings. Today I'll be drawing Wartortle. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start by drawing the left eye. Draw a diagonal line for the top of the eye here. Come in on the left side and draw a curved line down. Then, again on the right side, come in and draw another line down. Then another curve here to close it off. Now inside, draw a circle at the top for the highlight. Then a half oval along the side here and color it in black. Now draw a small line to the right. Let's draw the other eye in a similar way now. Now let's draw the shape of the head. From next to the left eye, draw a curved line up and to the right. Stop here to leave room for the ear. Now hop back to the left side and draw a small diagonal line down. Then next on the right side, draw a curved line here, leaving that gap for the ear, which we'll draw later. Then close off the bottom of his face with a curved line across. Next, draw two small lines here for the nostrils. Let's draw the mouth next. Under the nostrils, draw a wide V shape like this. Then each side of the mouth. Now draw two V shapes on either side for the teeth. Let's draw the ears now. In the gap here, draw a curved line. Now continue this curve out to the right like this. From the top, bring it up and curve it back down. Then another curve here to close off the ear. Lastly, inside, draw a bent line along the top like this. Now let's draw the other ear in the top left the same way. Let's draw the right arm next. From under the head, draw a curved line down. Then draw a line out to the right for the top of the arm. Now draw a curved triangle shape for the nail. Then another triangle shape here. And lastly, a third nail on the end. Now draw a small curve between the nails, and then continue this line over to close off the arm. Next, draw a curve between the ear and the arm here. And then another curve under the arm. Next to the right of it, draw an S-shaped curve. Now let's draw the right leg here. Starting in the middle of these two lines, draw the top of the leg to the left and down. Next, draw the sides of the legs like this. Then close off the bottom with 3 pointed toes. Next, let's draw the belly. Starting from under the head, draw a curved line down and over to the leg. Now let's draw the details on the shell. Draw a V shape under the face. And then, from the point, draw a line down, stopping here. From the bottom, draw lines out in both directions. And lastly, a curved line across the middle. Next, let's draw the shell on his back. Draw a curved line on the top right here above the arm. Then continue this line under the arm and down to the leg. Then draw one more curved line here inside on the bottom of the shell. Let's draw the other arm now. From the side of the face, draw a line outwards. Now a triangle shape for the nail. Then a curved line down and back to the body to close off the arm. Finish it off with the other two nails. Now let's draw the other leg. On the bottom left, draw 2 curved lines like this for the sides of the leg. Then close it off with 3 pointed toes again. Lastly, let's draw the tail. From the top of the arm here, draw a large swirl like this. Then another swirl under it, going back down to the leg. Follow this same curve and draw a small line to the left of the leg under the body. Now close off the side of the tail with a curved line here between the swirls. Then lastly, draw some detailed lines inside. And that's it for Wartortle. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.